How to enable Gmail two-factor authentication. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to security.google.com, or you can just simply go to my account google.com security, and you will see this one. So under security, we have here how you sign in to Google. All you have to do is just simply scroll down till you see this two-step verification. And as you can see here, I have enabled my two-step verification. So how are you going to enable this one? If you tap this, it will ask for your email address. So you have to log into your email address. And then after that, you will see this. So your or my two-step verification is on. So I can see here my Google prompt devices and also my phone number. So if you don't want to, or if you don't want your email address to get easily hacked, what you want to do is to turn on your two-step verification. And all you have to do is to click this get started here. And then as you can see, this device can get prompts. You have link your device first. I mean, a device where you oftenly open your Gmail account. Below here, you can see show more options. We have security key or text message or voice call. So if you tap that one, all you have to do is to type or enter your phone number here. And how do you want to get code? Is it through text or phone? So you just have to select from any of this here. Okay, so that's it. And then they will send a code, verification code to your phone. You have to enter that one, and then that's it. Next is you have to turn on your two-step verification, and whenever somebody or someone log into your account or you log into your account, you will be notified through text message or an email. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.